Hello again. And now we're going to talk about what should I have and what should I know before to get started. At first, you'll need some knowledge of the basics of the web, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, but it's not JavaScript and Bootstrap is not mandatory, but HTML, CSS is kind of. Why? HTML and CSS are the fundamental languages for building and styling web pages. Since .NET Core is often used to create dynamic web applications, knowing how to structure and style a page will be incredibly useful. What to know? You should know some HTML tags like heading paragraphs, links, CSS selectors, basic styling like colors, fonts, layout, and so on. You should know Git, but it's optional because I will provide the code on GitHub. Each class that we change the code, it will have its own branch because if you get stuck, you just go on that branch and then you download the zip. If you don't know Git at all, don't worry. It's not mandatory, it's just optional. So, but it's good to know. You must install an EDA. Visual Studio is the best option. Of course, you can download the Visual Studio Code and other EDS, but I strongly recommend you to download Visual Studio because it was made for ASP.NET. Why? You'll need an editor to write and run your ASP.NET code, and Visual Studio is an excellent option, especially for .NET projects. In the resource of this class, I will let you a link to download your Visual Studio. Don't worry.